Guess what? It's time for problem of the day. Let's see what we've got there. Woo, this one looks like craziness. If 2x minus 2 equals 40 and n is equal to 4x plus 30, find the value of the variable n. Woo, all right, let's look at that again. It's not as bad as it seems. If you really think about it, take a little bit of time with it. If 2x minus 2 is equal to 40 and n equals 4x plus 30, find the value of the variable n. So let's see what we got. It definitely sounds like a good starting point right here. We got two facts going in our favor here. We're going to take this 2x minus 2 and it's going to equal to 40. And we're going to figure out what x is. All right, that's the first step. And once we get x, it's pretty straightforward. We're going to come over here and do a little substitution. All right. You don't have to interchange these equations. All right. You don't have to play with them. You don't have to make this really very difficult. This is a totally different expression than something equal to 40. Some of you say, oh, is it just equal to 40? We're done? Not quite that easy, all right? So let's take a look at the first part of this problem. It says 2x minus 2 equaling to our 40. That's a given. That's where we start. We play with that. Now, that's pretty straightforward. I think it is. Everybody else out there says, I think it's pretty straightforward too, Ernie. So let's see what we do with those. Oh, 2, 2, 2, almost 2, 2, 2. There's a 40 waiting for us, though. So here's what I want us to do first. Let's take care of the minus 2 part first. Or I best say take care of the 2, but there are 2 of them, so we need to be more specifying here, all right? And that is what we're going to do. We're going to add the 2 right there. We're going to also take and add the 2 to the right-hand side because we love our properties of equality. Say if you add something to the left, you've got to add it to the right, the addition property of equality. So let's take care of those 2's right there. Well, there's less 2's now to look at, aren't there? So we got 2x, and my goodness, folks, that one's coming out to equal, looks like 42. Easy at this point? Oh, yeah. Easy division. Don't even need to go to the calculator on this one, my friends. This one comes out nice and smooth. X is equal to, it looks like, 21. Now we aren't units on this, okay? We're not talking feet, inches, or anything. We're just having some fun with numbers, all right? So just hang with us on that. I know some people, we had someone calling us about units and stuff, and we do. We try to impress upon different kinds of units, centimeters, meters, and such, especially when we're talking about areas and linears, but I digress a little bit. These are just good old number is 21. You can call it whatever you want it to be. Thank you. Now, we've got n to come back to, though. N is equal to 4 times x plus 30. Since we said this in the same breath, we're going to let x equal 21. We're going to pop it right up in there next to our 4. So we're going to have n equals 4 times, how about it, 21 plus 30. Oh, this one isn't bad at all, is it? Y'all thought when you saw those x's and n's, you're going, oh, big stuff. Not really. It's just a part 1 and a part 2. You just simply take it one step at a time. So, by the way, 4 times 21, we could probably do that in our head too because, oh my goodness, yeah, no carrying, no borrowing, no nothing going on here, right? Just straightforward 84 plus your 30. And I'm seeing n equaling to, I think it's 114. And I'm going to tell you, one of our Facebook viewers who sent